Alright guys, still a bit of the episode. So the last tutorial now, or the previous tutorials, we design this our landing page. Now it's citing the fresh. See every other fresh. So to make it fresh myself now, we suppose run the animations and I promise now say we must run now. So now GSAP now want to run the animations now for this design. So what I'll do, I'd already call the link now to GSAP now from Cloudflare CDN. Then I'll come in and I'll just create script tag. Then inside the script tag now here all our animation codes go enter. So that just do now. I'll just create constant now, call them TL. It go there equals to new timeline max. New timeline max. Then I'll say TL dot from to then inside this place now we'll target the circle outer. I'll put dot here now so that they'll see the class they get. So now this main circle now, so this first one I want target. So circle outer, then I'll set the time where I go take on to animate fully. That be one, I just set it to 1 second here. Then 1 second, no, 1 millisecond will be this. Then opacity go be 0. Why it go animate to opacity of 1. Then we'll set the delay to 1.5 millisecond. Alright, so might just any need. Okay, might just break them down as I go do understandable. So you see the different values, Abby. So timeline from to we target the outer circle now. Yeah. So this value now be the time where like go take on to take animate finish. Then not the delay. Then not the starting of the animation. Not the starting value. Then not the ending value. So if we go our code now, we refresh now. See I'm setting the animation enter now be. Show you the same. It animates the come. So they affect these two because this inner circle and a side of this one. So one distribution will be like, this one come now, this one will follow. You get. So that I go do, I'll duplicate this one. Then I'll say circle inner. Circle inner, then we'll see this one as 1. The same opacity, but this one at the delay go different. We'll set delay to like 2.5. So if I go back and I refresh, first one show, then the second one they come up. Show this here. The second one they come up. Alright. So the next one we'll animate now. I want to target this aside here. I want to target this aside. So what I go do? I'll come here. I'll just say TL dot from. Then we'll target landing a dot landing a class dot aside. Then we'll put our comma. We'll set 0.5 here. Then we'll go say make it come from the x-axis. We'll set out to -150. And we'll set the delay to 0.5. So the rating being also this circle outer go first animate as it come now. In fact, now this one will first animate while this one go follow. Because see their delay now 0.5, 1.5, 2.5. So this one first come out now. Before this one will come out, then this middle one like that. So anyhow, just if you play with the timing, depend on how you want to make your own stuff animated to get. You see am? You see am? The push come out now. So we'll animate this top now. So I'll duplicate this one, then we'll target the header. So landing section header. Then I'll set this one to 0.8, not 0.5, 0.8 y-axis, because it will push come from up now. We'll see make them to be minus 150, but this time now the delay will be 1. So if I refresh, you see them. Then this one's the show. You see them. All right. So the next one will be like, so we're going to animate now. We're going to animate these features for this corner here, so or these features. So we're going to animate the features and they will push come from the y-axis. Then we'll animate the span. You get, we're going to animate the span. Then we're going to animate this one. This one will load come. So this one's going to first push come. These guys will come up. Then this one's will come up. So more runner. So do go do. We'll target the feature. Think where I'm here. And I'll scroll landing features. So with the get content features, feature H1. Okay. Then we'll get this feature P as well. All right. So I'll target this stuff here now. Section, command the header, then contents, features, dot feature h1. I'll put comma, and we'll go with target the paragraph now. So this one will be 0.5. Then from the y-axis now, it could be 100. You see, they will set the delay to 2.5. So we'll see it will get here. You see, it'll push come. All right. So the next thing we'll do now, we'll target the span. So dot feature span. We'll set this one to 0.5. This one will be from to, not from again. From to. Because now the height now one animate here. So we'll say maybe the height be 0. Then you go animate to height of 5. So more refresh, we'll see. You see height of 5. So I'll put 2.5 here. So if we just increase this one to like 3 so that the two don't come outside at the same time. So 3. I'll go back again. Refresh. Okay, you see. So after this one push come inside, this one can come outside now. All right. So when you finish now, we need to carry this one and make it come, make stretch come outside at like 50. So what I go do, I'll still duplicate this one. Then we'll target this span, but this time now the end side of, that is the second side now of this fissure. That is the second side of this fissure. So now we target now. Meaning, would they come here? Where am so? Would they enter fissures here now? So you see now, the first side, the second side, the third side. So we target this second side now. So the span now we target now. So now we do for here now. So the second one come fissures now. We'll target fissure on the end side now. That is the middle one now. So the second one, then when we target now, we'll target the span for inside. You see now. So when we target the span for inside now, we will change the height now from 0 now to 50. You see now, from 0 to 50, and all of them, they need to go together at once. So what I could do, I'll refresh, and you see now, this one's load now. This one, the loads go up. Alright, so we're all finished with these guys here. The next one we'll target now, we'll target this side. So we'll target this guts, we'll target the miracles, and we'll go do this I like it like that. So what I could do, I'll just duplicate this one. One thing I need to do here, it did go to the comments when you use GSAP, because if you target so many things, you call lose track. So I've just dot circle outer. I'll copy this one this time here. Now this one will be circle inner. Then this one will be the aside. This one will be header. Then are the fissures. This will be, we'll just group them. So from here we share now fissures. So that's 1, 2, 3. Then this other one here now, we'll see guts. So we'll clear this side. Then we'll target the seam now. So seam h2 dot wrap. We'll set the time to animate to 1 now. Then top will be 300. Y it go animate to 0. Animate to 0. So this is the example here now. So if you see this original part of the CSS now, we'll say dot wrap now. That's why I give them that time. I give them as where I'm safe. I give that wrap position relative. You see them. So now the essence now, because by the time they position relative now, when I want animate now, if I come here now, I'll call put this stop. So we'll not give a position relative now. This stop now I know call work. You see them. You get. Other ways where if you see animate this thing, like other libraries there, but forget other libraries now. We work on GSAP here. Even with GSAP self, other ways there where if you see use now, apart from using top here, you get. But I want just one like this and make it easier. Maybe other 2 years now I could show you other pattern there like that. So many different ways, but the key thing here now would try to achieve results. So without target this gut now, then I go change delay to 1, because we're not going to wait to make all these ones load. It needs to come outside too. You see them? Come out. Other ones they load to the background, they come. Show you see them? So we'll target this gut now. What will the target next now? We'll target the miracles. So I'll change this one to miracles. Then instead of h2, I'm going to say h1. We'll set this one to 0.5. The same thing now go happen here. Top could be 300. It go animate to 0. Then we'll do the same thing for like it. That text under the miracles. So instead of each one, we'll put P. We're not going to use wrap. We'll not put wrap for them. Then we'll set on 0.5. The opacity now we use here now. Because one meeting vanish enter like that. Just vanish come. So the delay could be 3. So it will vanish from 0 to 1. You see? So if I refresh, you see it now. Get refresh. Alright. So the next one we'll target now. We'll target the bottom bar. This guy here now. So we need to do now. So I go like want me push. You get want me push. So to go duplicate. Go push from bottom come up. We'll duplicate now. We'll set content theme then dot bar. So 0.5 bottom bar. So we'll set this into 0.5 here. Then we'll see bottom. This bottom they work now because this bar now already set position relative now. Position relative for this bar. Then we'll say minus 200. I go start from now. So I go push from bottom come up. Then it go push coverage like 0. I will change 3 now to 1.5. So just they give all this delay in a different value so that they'll just come at different time. But sometimes you not just mean things scatter like that. You get everything everything on your occurrence like that. Just you think out for your head now. Say okay, I want me some confess. So based on the way you reason and say okay, then how you want your animation to be now. Now come you know how you want time, which one go first come now, which one will come last, something like that. So now what you do. So my values what they put here now. If not the values where you go like use. So everybody with you like that. But like the way I want just do this one just because of the tutorial purpose. So then I shall see now they push come from the bottom now. Or this one they come now, this one they come last now. So more will run on this side now. So what I go do now, we'll target this 0 2 that half number for there now. So this one we'll target this one. What we go do now, it go push come from right, then this other one I go push come from up, go drop come down. You get no, this one go push come from left, Abby. Left or right? Okay, go push come from right. This one go push come from up, go drop come down. So I'll go my code here. I'll say from to landing section content. Let's see. Extra half norm each one then wrap. All right. So extra half norm each one dot wrap. Okay. So 0.5. Then we'll say from the right now. 300 pixel. We'll call stop for 0. And we'll set the delay to 2. So we'll see. You never see what I will never target this anywhere. We'll see again. Landing section content extra half norm each one dot wrap. So most check the CSS now for this each one dot wrap. Most whether we give this in position. So not this one. Extra content extra each one. So we'll not target wrap. So I might just target them here. I'll do for we want to save here. If you just give general this thing. So just say anywhere you see dot wrap now, we set position to relative. You see them. So automatically now we don't get position for this place now. So if we refresh now, suppose work. See them. So don't push come out. Alright, so I just want to push now. This guy now want me drop come. So what do we do? We'll duplicate this one again. Then we'll just say SVG. We'll come out from. So it could drop come from the y-axis. And we'll give minus 500. So instead of dot wrap here now, half norm, then SVG. Okay. We'll set this one to 1. Then we'll set this other one for you now to 1. So more will serve on. Refresh now. Alright. See the fresh small. Double fresh yourself. So we'll just target this one now. We'll target that go. So the go and the new beginning that go vanish come. So go and new beginning that go vanish come. So we go do dot landing section content extra new beginning dot go. So new beginning dot go. This one will be new beginning dot content. Dot content. So what made the vanish come? So we'll just copy. This one will be to, not from. So we'll find any one we don't do before will be opacity. Okay. So we'll go use this one for this guy. So the opacity now we'll set here to like 1. This one will be 1. Then this one will be 2. We'll do the same thing for here too. We'll set here to the new beginner will be 1. Then this one will be 2.5. So that at this one vanish come now, this one will just fall on for back. You get based on shadow things. So okay, you see here. The go first show. Observe ammo. Then this one come outside. Alright. So we'll not do one like that now. The remaining thing now this screw and this indicator. So what we do, we want this screw now. You need to push come outside of the X axis. Then this other one now, we go like may vanish come. No, the screw will vanish come. This one will push. This one push come outside from this side. We just push come outside for the right hand side. Why this other screw now? Or may just vanish. May vanish come. So I'll duplicate this two like this. This one will be screw. So TL.from to landing section content extra scroll. Okay. So opacity 0, 1, motion to 2. So may just align with this oga for here. Alright, so this other indicator. Alright. We'll see from X, it could be 100. Then the delay will be 1.5. Why we'll set this one to 0.4. Okay. So if we go back, we'll refresh. Okay, never target this thing well. What did we do wrongly now? New beginning. Okay. Copy this one. Paste them here. So section content indicator. All right. So if I refresh now, you see blank slate. If you animate this guy self, it's just vanish come small. They get if you do me vanish come. So where even they self? Maybe this image now. Maybe this image. So if you even give a class here. So the class that will be wrapper. They get. So if you do want to see maybe by the time I'm not supposed to add this one during the shower, but I want just do one. So maybe somewhere around when this miracles they come up, the guy will just vanish, come inside the picture. So more go put on here the miracle. More copy this opacity on here. So more find where the miracle they see miracles here. So after miracle come up, we want this wrapper to show a by number. So landing section, or if you just say wrapper, only be wrapper now. So you could take 1 to come, then 1 point. Emoji give that 2 here now from 0 to 1. So refresh. You see blast. Size is soft. As they come up. In fact, it's overweight myself. Might give her like 1.5. We'll see. Hey God. I beg. You see our design don't make brain. As in blasts. I want to try. Sure. Alright now, so you also have to use HTML, CSS, and GSAP now to create this nice blastful websites. But not be full website, just landing page. But any actually the basic message here be say as far as if you design something like this now, the same sense now where you still achieve all these things now, if you not achieve other advanced design, just go into the practice and you do your stuff normal. So more content see the enter the channel now, you know the be now, you know how they run for here, or not the fee. So any and I'll see you for the next video, anytime I upload them, and my living now here. I'll still be a loyal boy from Double Sad, Big Tank. You know the be now, like the video, subscribe me for no loss, and tell that people where you take the nice, sweet tutorial. So one love.